You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? But what really is cryptocurrency? Is it just magic internet money? Well, kind of. But let's break it down into something super simple. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money. Think of it like the cash you use in a video game. But for the real world, you can buy things with it, sell it, and trade it all online. The big difference. There are no physical coins or paper bills. It all exists entirely on the internet. So, if there are no physical dollars or coins, where do banks fit in? They don't. Cryptocurrency doesn't go through traditional banks. Instead, it operates on a revolutionary system called the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger or a notebook that's shared with thousands of computers all over the world. That's the blockchain. Here's how it works. When you send crypto to someone, your transaction is broadcast to this huge network of computers. These computers all work together to verify that your transaction is legitimate. Once it's confirmed, it gets added as a block to a long, unbreakable chain of previous transactions. This public list is the blockchain. It's incredibly secure because changing one block would mean changing every single block that comes after it across thousands of computers simultaneously, which is nearly impossible. Let's make this real. Imagine Alice wants to buy a cool new bike from Dawn using Bitcoin. She simply sends the Bitcoin from her digital wallet directly to Dan's. The transaction is then announced to the entire network. Computers on the network check to make sure Alice has the funds and that the transaction is valid. Once verified, it's locked into the blockchain forever. Dawn gets his payment, Alice gets her bike, and no bank was needed to process the payment. It's a direct, peer-to-peer exchange. But who are these people with computers checking everything? They're often called miners. These powerful computers are in a constant race to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. As a reward for their work and the electricity they use, they're given brand new Bitcoins. This process is called mining. This whole mining system is what keeps everything secure and fair. It makes it extremely difficult for anyone to cheat or tamper with the transaction history. Plus, many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have a built-in limit. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. Once they're all mined, that's it. No, more can be created, which helps maintain its value. So, there you have it. Cryptocurrency is essentially money designed for the internet age, decentralized, secure, and digital. It's a whole new way of thinking about finance. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple breakdowns of complex topics. Thanks for watching!